Okay, our friend, to welcome to my channel. Still, I have a more idea for you. When you want to go wash your dishes, we have a very big machine to wash the dishes. It's called dishwasher machine. And also people wash by the hand, and in the manufactory or restaurant they wash in the different machine. But I think we can wash the dishes even more easy with the small machine. No electricity required. You just put them in the sink like this. This is your sink. This is your valve. Okay, this sink. The machine, they have a shape like this. Like a circle. And they have a connection between the valves in here and to this machine. Plumbing. You just connect the plumbing and you turn hot water on after you put soap. What this machine do, they divide it to add your dishes in. Different place. And what they do, when the water come here, divide the water inside the machine to the different small pressure water, which is give you very press. By the small holes, they're gonna send the hot water in the machine everywhere, from here to the here, to the side, to the here, to the bottom, to the here, to the here, to the here, to the here, and also in the middle. Small plumbing is around this machine. Basically, they use the pressure of the water in your home to give a very high hot water pressure in here. After this machine that work maybe in 10 minutes, you turn it, which means you turn the machine by the handle in here, and this machine rotates the dishes inside to let the dishes get the hot pressure from the other side if they never clean it. This machine need to be designed by someone, engineer designed to make this component in.